Instead of spending $1,000 on clothes in one impulsive shopping spree, what if I say you could fill your entire closet up, but here's the cool side, but you wouldn't have that financial hangover of shame that comes with the next day. The way to do that type of shopping is just like dollar cost averaging for your investment portfolio. Dollar cost averaging is our word of the day in today's happy hour money mixer. So grab yourself a cocktail, or for me, a glass of red, put on your pajamas and pearls, and let's get ready to shop the smart and intentional way to celebrate Women's History Month together. Of all the stores I love to shop in, Anthropologie is probably my #1 favorite. It balances timeless style with unique statement pieces that feel just so effortlessly chic. And every time I walk in, whether it's in SoCal, that's where I live, Chicago, or Tucson, other places that I've lived, it's like I'm stepping into this beautiful curated collection of fashion, home decor, gardens, and beauty that speaks to my personality. Elevated, but not overly trendy. And when I think of all the times I've stepped into an Anthro, the one that gives me just the feel-good best memories is the one in Tucson, Arizona, which I often shop back in 2013. Back in 2013, when I had just graduated from the University of Chicago with my master's, I packed up my life into my car and I drove to Tucson to start my new job, not as a YouTuber, but as an AP English literature teacher. If you've never been, I'm gonna just say this right now. Tucson is a bit of a desert. Dirt everywhere, and fun bonus, it's also dirt cheap to live in. And at the time, I wanted to give my wardrobe a complete makeover from Target, nothing wrong with Target, but I wanted to elevate it from Target to Anthropologie. And I did quick math and I realized that after rent, food, utilities, and everyday basics, I still had a few $100s extra every month. So what did I do? Every 2 weeks, I would drive to my local Anthro and I would buy just one item. Sometimes it was a blouse on sale, and other times it was 100% full price splurge of a cocktail dress. And regardless of whether it was on sale or not, here's the important part. I stuck to my monthly budget, and over time I swapped out all of my everyday essentials for a full Anthro wardrobe. And here's the crazy part. Without ever realizing it, I was dollar cost averaging, not in the stock market, but in my wardrobe. Instead of spending thousands of dollars in one go, which at least for me, it always has a mixed bag. It's literally of like good stuff that you get and stuff I just probably never should have bought altogether. Instead of doing that, I spread my entire Anthro purchases out over time. And that is exactly how DCA, or dollar cost averaging, works in investing. Let me explain. There are 3 main pieces of dollar cost averaging, or DCA, and if you think about it, or at least as I think about it, they're just like key pieces of a perfectly styled Anthro outfit. Each piece plays a very specific role helping you invest or look effortless, and you build that long-term wealth and remove all of that financial stress. Just like a thoughtfully curated wardrobe that makes you feel put together every time you step out the door. Let's create that perfect outfit in today's video. First, the shoes. The shoes, your strong foundation for investing. I don't know about you, but for me, every cute outfit begins with my shoes. They support me, they keep me grounded, literally because, on the ground. and they carry me forward to face whatever the day is going to bring. And that's exactly how consistent fixed investments work in dollar cost averaging. No matter what's happening in the stock market, whether it is soaring high as a kite or it's dipping low underground, you keep investing the same amount in dollar cost averaging on a regular basis. Why does this matter? Well, some months the stock market is like an Anthropologie clearance sale. You get a lot more for the same amount of money you have. Other months, it's full price. But even if that's the case, you're still investing in quality pieces. What's the big benefit? You turn volatility, that up and down, those big swings, you turn volatility into your strategic advantage. What do I mean? Well, let's look at an example. Let's say you have $300 to invest in Nike every month. Great brand for those foundation shoes, BTW. That was before Kim Kardashian partnered up with them. And let's say we're in the month of March 2025. And in this scenario, Nike stock is at $50 a share. So you have your $300, you can buy some basic back of the napkin math, you can buy 6 shares. New month. April rolls around and Nike's stock drops to $30 a share. It's now on sale, and who doesn't love a good sale? I love a good sale. So what do? You can buy 10 shares. By sticking to your budget and buying consistently, your average cost per share drops, just like how a great pair of classic comfy shoes supports every outfit and lasts through every season. Second, the blouse. The blouse, the effortless, everyday essential. A great blouse, as we girlies know, is effortless. You don't have to think about it, but it always pulls your look together. And that's exactly what automating your investments does. Instead of manually transferring money and wondering if you should invest now or later this evening, maybe it's tomorrow, maybe it's a week. No, you're gonna automate and your money flows into your investments automatically, just like how your favorite go-to blouse always works no matter the occasion. Why does this matter? Automation, it's so good because it removes willpower from the equation. And as my favorite girly Peloton fitness instructor, Rebecca Kennedy, always says, motivation, she's a flighty bitch and she's always late. So unlike willpower and motivation, automation is your ride or die friend who's consistent, reliable, and always shows up on time. What's the big benefit? You never miss out on market growth. What do I mean? Markets go up and down all the time. So when you automate your investments, you always participate, and that means you catch the upside without trying to guess and time the market. It's like having a go-to blouse that always makes you feel effortlessly put together, no stress, and no second guessing. Third, the jeans. The jeans. The versatile staple. Now, as we know, we all have that one pair of jeans, the ones that go with everything, that make our butt look super good, which in turn, how does it make us feel? It makes us feel confident, never going out of style with those pairs of jeans. And that's exactly what emotion-free investing does. Instead of panic selling when the market dips or FOMO buying at all those times when it's an all-time high for the price and you're like, oh my God, I need it. Nope. Because dollar cost averaging helps you invest steadily, just like a great pair of jeans that keeps you feeling good no matter what's trending. Why does this matter? No FOMO buying, no panic selling, just steady, stress-free investing to get you rich. What's the big benefit apart from that whole rich part that I mentioned? You avoid emotional mistakes. If the market drops, People, myself included, it's so easy to panic and to sell at the worst possible time. Been there, done that, never gonna do it again. Why? DCA, dollar cost averaging and automation. And if that market surges, people get FOMO and you buy in too late, but not you. Because just like that classic pair of jeans, your investing strategy stays solid no matter what is happening around you. And that is how dollar cost averaging is just like creating your perfect Anthropologie outfit. And here's the really cool part. If you love building a great outfit piece by piece, you're already wired to be a great investor. So what are those most timeless go-to pieces in your wardrobe that you did not buy all at once, but were super smart and you built over time? Tell me in the comments, and when you do, think of that feeling you had when you bought those pieces and how you feel now. Because that accomplished feeling you have, that is exactly how investing feels when you dollar cost average your way to wealth. I can't wait to keep mixing finance and fun with all of you girlies. So hit that like button and subscribe for more happy hour money mixers. And with our cocktails and our wine, we'll see each other very soon on the next Lady Boss of Finance. Cheers.